Wireless security camera systems are good for flexible implementations, but there has always been a concern for the battery life. In this video, I'm going to show you a security camera system that provides installation flexibility, no subscription cost, and no more worries about manually charging the cameras. Meet the Camcamp SC23. It is a decent-sized box with the image of a camera and the base station. On one side, some of its features are mentioned. On the other side, you get the manufacturer's contact details, and it also mentions lifetime technical support for the security camera system, which I find is amazing. This video is presented in these segments so that you can find the relevant information you need without watching this whole video. Now let's get into unboxing this product and test it. Now, let's open this Camcamp SC23 security camera system package and see its contents. This product box includes 2 Camcamp security cameras, 2 camera mounting metal bases that can be fixed to the wall, 2 set of screws, with the long screws to fix the metal bases to the wall and the short screws to fix the cameras to the metal bases, 2 solar panels with USB Type-C cable to charge the cameras, 2 adjustable mounting base for the solar panels with screws included, 2 USB Type-A to Type-C cables which can be used for camera continuous power connection instead of using the solar panels, 1 mini NVR, which means network video recorder. This is the security camera home base and where the recordings are stored. The power adapter for the mini NVR. HDMI cable to connect to a TV or monitor to view the NVR software and interface. USB mouse to navigate and interact with the NVR interface. RJ45 network cable to connect the NVR to the internet router. A simple quick guide is included. A user guide booklet which has the QR codes for the iOS and Android apps. This booklet provides easy-to-understand instructions and has images printed in color. Let's look at the physical design and construction of the Camcamp SC23 camera. The camera feels a little heavy, probably due to built-in lithium battery and motors to move the camera viewing angle. At the front, this is the camera lens, and below it is the passive infrared sensor or PIR. These are the dual source lights which emit infrared and white light. This smaller hole is the light sensor. This tiny one is the microphone, and this is the indicator light. On both sides of the camera are antennas. These antennas can be adjusted to get the optimal wireless signal with the home base. At the bottom of the camera is the reset button, and the speaker at the back for system prompts and two-way audio. This is the on and off button and the USB-C port for power or solar panel charging. Let's look at the mini NVR or the home base. It has a slim design with a base stand to keep it vertical. The front has the indicator lights. Both the sides have ventilation holes, and at the top is a tiny button called sync. At the back, this is for the power adapter, USB port, HDMI interface, WAN port, reset button, and micro SD card slot. This NVR stores data using a hard disk which can be physically accessed by opening this side cover. I'm assuming that this allows users to replace the hard disk if it stops working. This is something that I might test. Now let's go through the Camcamp solar-powered security camera setup. I'm using the included charging cable to charge the security camera for at least 5 hours, or until the red charging light disappears. This small TV is for the NVR display. You can also use a monitor. Connect the HDMI cable to the TV and the NVR HDMI port. Connect the USB mouse to the NVR rear panel. I could try connecting the network cable, but my router is quite far, so I'm going to try connecting via wireless network. Turn on the TV or monitor, connect the power adapter to the NVR and turn on power. The NVR software will start and you will see the splash screen with Camcamp logo. The first option is to select your preferred system language. Using the mouse, click Next Step. Next is the Network Setup option. The system will try to connect to the network, and this message is because the wired network cable is not connected. I'm going to connect to my Wi-Fi network, so click on Wireless Network Settings. Select a Wi-Fi connection. Use on-screen keyboard with mouse and enter the Wi-Fi password. Click Connect and wait for the status to show the blue tick image and green Healthy Network text. Click Next Step and you can set date and time here, such as date format, time zone and daylight saving. Then click Next Step. This is storage management, which displays the storage type, status and storage capacity. Click Next Step. This is the live view for the security cameras. The NVR and the cameras have been programmed before it was shipped, so let's press the power button on the camera. The camera is powered on and connected with the NVR. You can see the camera view here. Repeat the same steps for other cameras and you will get more camera previews on the screen. Click Next Step. This is where you set the system password, which is needed when binding the device through the Cloud i365 app. Remember the entered password and click Next Step. The password requires a minimum of 6 characters. Let's try it again. To make it easier, the QR codes for the app and the current device are shown on the screen. Scan the QR code and install the app called Cloud i365. Launch the Cloud i365 app, and if this is the first time, you will need to sign up for an account either by phone number and verification code or by other options shown here. Once logged in, you will see the app home screen where you have the option to add a camera. Click on the plus sign and this opens up the QR code scanner. Scan the device QR code and let the system automatically configure the device, which took less than a minute for me. Here you can give the device a name and tap Confirm. Let the app refresh the device in the app. It took around 30 seconds for me before the device thumbnail was shown. Clicking the play button will load the configured camera live view. In my case, it is only one camera. When a camera view is selected, there are buttons to perform actions such as viewing quality, the number of camera view tiles, volume, take picture, record video, and expand to full view. What I like about this camera is that the viewing angle can be adjusted by using the app control. It is easy and very convenient. At the bottom is the menu bar with more features, and captured event recordings are found under Events. We have completed setting up the Cloud i365 app. Now let's continue with the NVR software. Click Done using the mouse and tiled view of the configured camera is displayed on the TV. Even if you don't install the app, you can still control the security camera system using the NVR software interface. Without the app, you can't view the camera or footage remotely. In the NVR software interface, which is accessed locally, right-clicking will show the menu bar with the options to configure and control everything that's provided. Yes, that means you can adjust the viewing angle of the camera from this interface too. If you want to view all the events, click on this playback icon and you get the calendar and timeline interface for the installed cameras. There is also a convenient export video option. The solar panel is pretty straightforward to use. Fix the solar panel and angle it for optimum sunlight and connect the USB-C cable to the camera. Solar panel allows you to place the camera where direct power connection is not possible. And you don't have to worry about manually taking down and charging the camera. Camcamp SC23 solar security camera has been very easy to set up and use. It is quite straightforward, and I have shown the exact steps in this video, which can be used as a user guide. The NVR has a hard disk which stores all the footage, so if any camera gets damaged or stolen, the footage is safe being away from the camera. And 500 gigabytes is quite a large storage space. You may even find this camera called Camcamp Solar Security Camera online, more specifically as Camcamp SC23 Wi-Fi Security Camera System. I hope this solar-powered security camera video has been useful for you. On TechTube TV, I make easy-to-understand videos on technology-related topics. If you like my content, Please consider clicking the subscribe button to follow my future video uploads. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.